Guys, Flash has officially started testing. I wish I would have pulled out my camera a little bit sooner. Hopefully it runs again, we can catch it, but very exciting. So park hours say are 10:30 to 12. Yep, let's head back to Flash. Well, they definitely have people up there. It looked like you get pretty high up there the first launch on the spike, but then the second and third one, not as high. You see that final launch, you don't look like you go up too high, but that one looked like it was a little bit higher. Here we go again, same from the other side. Apparently they were also doing valley testing in this launch right here, and apparently when it valleys it also does a swing launch. Pretty cool. 3 rides there on Nitro. It does look like they have stopped testing for the day, but that was great. We got to see it from multiple angles. Yeah, they're really sending those trains around, so yeah, definitely looking forward to that opening day opening, so should be really good. I'm starting to think that this is my lucky Flash shirt, but we're gonna head on to El Toro. I really want to get a couple rides on this before the crowds start filtering in for Fright Fest. Yep, and then probably King Dakar if it doesn't have too long of a line. So King Dakar just went down. In the meantime, I thought we would take a ride on Log Flume. I'm surprised this is still open. Week 9 since it reopened and still going strong. Yeah, it's pretty warm down here in Jackson, so yep, kind of needed.
I'm not. Dude, you put it like, look. If it was here, she'd have a leg right. That dude would have a leg. You'd be sitting in the same spot.
Flume, I'll tell you guys, is an absolute soaker, but still an amazing ride. Incredible Log Flume. I'm so happy it's open, and it seems Great Adventure is keeping this thing running as long as they can to make up for it being down pretty much all summer.
Yeah, it's actually shaking. It goes up 128 miles per hour. Paula, the one you told us not to go on, we went. It was so much fun. Yeah, that's fun.
Managed to get about 5 back-to-back rides there on King Dakar. I do gotta say, whoever is running Flash Pass to the point where it merges with the Flash Pass, you gotta constantly keep letting more people. The station shouldn't be yelling at you to keep letting people in. We must have waited like 15-20 minutes before they let more people in. The station was even yelling at them, so yeah. You gotta do a better job than that. King Dakar did manage to go down 2 times while I was in line. So yeah. It requires a lot of patience to be able to get on the ride. I see why, if Great Adventure is looking to remove King Dakar, why they would be looking at removing it. You know, it's very temperamental and requires a lot of maintenance. Unfortunately, it would be very sad to see it go. It is an incredible ride, but it requires a lot of patience to be able to get on it. So it's currently 5:36. Fright Fest is about to begin. I want to head to the Witch's Reflection. This is the only maze I haven't done yet, and so I kind of want to see what it's all about. I heard it's drastically improved since it was Reflections of the Dead last year, so I can't wait to see what they've done.
Oh, I think that's...
Definitely, it was a lot better than last year, but still, I kind of found it kind of the same thing. The scare actors were much more lively than the ones last year. I do want to now go check out Unleashed. there should be a 7 o'clock show. Then I think I'm probably gonna head out. It has been a busy day here at Great Adventure, and yeah. Earlier, this pathway was closed while they were testing. Now it's back open, so I'm guessing they're probably done for the evening. Wow, guys, this is my first time being in here. This is a pretty big theater. I've never been in here before, so yep, let's see what this show is all about. Anyways, guys, that does it from this week's Flash Vertical Velocity construction update. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yeah, lots of great stuff going on right now with Flash. I love how high up on the first launch of the spike it gets. That hang time you get in the 0G stall looks insane. The whip coming into the non-inverting dive loop looks incredible. It looks like you're really going to get yanked into that. And the chiller roll looks very whippy going in and then coming out of it. But anyways, guys, if you like this update, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button to stay up to date with all the fun stuff I got going on here on PA&J Thrills. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.